Hi, my name is Jan Paulo Nieto from BSAMT. So today I will discuss what we discussed in this preliminary in the subject of statistic of rigid bodies. So first, we need to have pen and some paper, and what I choose is the sample problem is to determine the x and y components of each forces in the force system shown in figure. So the figure is this one, y, then we need to draw some so the x is here. Sorry for the line. And f of 1 is equals to 58 kN or not. It will have 30 degrees. So the f of 2 is 50 kN. So it will 45 degrees. So, sorry kung malabo siya. So, it will, for following number 3 is 12 equals to 5. Following is 45. Not. And 4 equals to 40 kN. So for the solution number 1, for F1 is f of x is equals to f cosine and will become f of x is equals to 58 cos sine 30 degrees, and it will become in this part we will need to use some scientific calculator. So first I will compute this one first, and it will become 50.22947342 not to the right, to the right. So for f of y, we need to solve the f sine, and it will become of f of y it will become 58 sine over 30 degrees. So f of y will become a 29 not upward. That's the final answer for number 1. So for the following number 2, solution for number 2 is f of x. We will find the f of x equals to f cosine then f of x will become 50 cosine of 45 degrees. And it will become, we will compute first in the scientific calculator. So it will become 35.35533906, not to the left. To the left. So for f of y will become to f sine of, and it will become 50 sine 45 degrees. So simply as this following problem is equal to at ease naman siya, yung force niya is at ease naman po. So yung solution is same naman po sa kinalabasan nito for the forces po. So for number 3, in this particular force, the given is not the angle but the slope having a horizontal component po of having 5 and a vertical component of 12. First, we have to solve for the hypotenuse of the slope. So the hypotenuse is, for number 3 is, F3 is, the hypotenuse of the slope is equal to 5 divided by 2 plus 6 over 12. So the hypotenuse of the slope is 13. So from our formula by a trigonometric laws we have is cosine is adjacent side over hypotenuse. So the cosine will be 5 over 13, and we will define the f of x is equal to f 5 over 13. It will become f of x equals to 45 5 over 13. So this one is so basically ang gagawin naman po talaga is parang more deep lang po natin yung mga letter. It will become two number. So the formula is this kind of deep, mas critical siya habang step by step. So it will become f of x 0.17 and 30 o 7 6 9 23 kn to the left. So this one is the answer for number 3. So, for number 4 is this one. For F4 is, since the force of F4 is directly to horizontal, its angle from the x-axis is 0 degree. So the cosine is 0 degrees is equal to fx or f of x, f of cosine will become f of x 40 cosine and 0 degrees. It will copy the 0 degrees. So the final answer is for f of x is equals to 40, not to the right. To the right. So the solution is, for the f of y is f of y is equals to f of sine cosine of so f of y will become 40 cosine 0 degrees and sine of 0 degrees will become 0. So the final answer is for y is f of y is 0. So I hope you learned something from me, and have a blessed Tuesday. So thank you.